It's 11 o'clock at night. This is my son. He's supposed to be in bed. He's 1 year old. He had a little nap today. Hey! Luke!
Oh, don't take a picture of me. Block off.
Okay, my daughter's gonna go get him away from that. Okay. Luke! Hey, Luke, you're supposed to be in bed. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Luke? Luke, why aren't you sleepy yet? Hey.
Oh.
Luke, you ready to go to bed?
Always act crazy.
Luke, come on, it's time to go to bed.
I'd be surprised if you see him like this one day. If he's cuckoo in the brain.
Well, it doesn't help that his sister keeps messing with him. But he's still not sleepy anyway. Look, he's supposed to be in bed. Luke, come on, you want to go to bed?
Luke, do you want to go to bed?